Hey, welcome to my another Tesla video. Do you know you have to check your Tesla tire pressure when you move from summer to winter? Yes, you heard right. Tesla always recommend you to check or adjust your tire air pressure before going to winter. Otherwise, it will destroy your tire and it is not good for car and it will cost you more electricity. So in this video I am going to show you how to adjust your tire pressure. Let's take a look. So when you come in your car, you go in your settings. In the setting you go in the service. In the service you can see your air pressure 42 psi, but it's showing 37 psi. That means you need to change your air pressure, and you see the recommendation is just for the cold weather. Okay, the recommendation cold pressure has to be 42 psi. Now your car has 37 psi. That means you need to put more air on your car, otherwise it will damage your car. So I came to a local Wawa and the air is free here. So I'm going to set it up to 42 psi. So let's check it out right now. Service. Now you can see this is 42 psi. So that way you meet your expectation. Okay, I hope this video will help you. Alright, so keep your car safe, and if you like this video, please share for your friends and subscribe for future videos. Thank you very much.